But all in all, a win is a win.
The national junior golf team arrived back home early this morning after finishing fourth in the All-Africa Junior Championship at the Palm Hills Golf Course in Cairo, Egypt. Captain Njoroge Njonge Kibugu, who was the best placed Kenyan in third place, having shot 3 over par 291. The first position was taken by South African Pascal Ganther with a score of 5 and a par 283. Michael Wallace of Zimbabwe was second with a level par 288 score.
Playing in Egypt was such a good experience. It was my first international tournament that I went to, so the weather was like completely different from what I normally play in. So it was like a whole different experience when it came to playing in the cold, because where I'm from in Mombasa, it's like very hot. The course was very interesting. It had a lot of hazards, something that I'm not used to playing at my home club in Nyali Golf and Country Club. So it was a good and interesting experience for me, and I got to learn a lot through this tournament.
The first day, the climate was very hard, wind, so I didn't play well. The second day I improved by 5 shots. That day is the same. For the day I finished strong. Yeah. And my plans is to improve golf and practice a lot.
National triathlon champion Josette